how to join meeting on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to join meeting on Zoom mobile. First let's go to Zoom, and now all you need to do is just go to this icon here, meet and chat, and then click this one, this icon, join. Click on it, click on it, and here you need to type meeting ID, and here you can change your name, and you can also join with a personal link name. Just click here and type the personal link name here, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.